wonim diebi na se wo pesa wo de bwa o manyi se wo kunu so ma wonya e ma wa be mumwo shia Maame Yeboaa Asiedu oni na pamfo on Adom FM obema we futupe obema wo kranche obema we ni daso my Yenbo Nkomo oba papa wo huye na o.
This is Adom FM 106.3.
A good woman is priceless. Yenbo Nkomo Emma so faso pa. Yenbo Nkomo if you educate a woman you educate a nation. Yenbo Nkomo eto betray or how be a daware ni muno. Yenbo Nkomo neto betray.
This is Adom
Maame Yeboaa
106.3.
Yenbo Nkomo Yenbo Nkomo Yenbo Nkomo Yenbo Nkomo 106.3.
Medafo na minu mienu ye bebo nkomo nwumbere enim se watana sedada wo twen me wonim se edru Tuesday sa na me ho prem se me ho efise minim se nsem bebre wo hono ma ya na ede ahye esum ye ase sembi wo hono ma ya enhye da moso sembi wo ho aye kon sori aye pesen ke yeti enso ya sofo enhye da mprichi wo ho eno ana wo Yenbo Nkomo so etwe na ye de aba na ye de asipono so na ye dwata mu ye bebi ne wanya hote na mesmetimi enyame de ye frɛ me Maame Yeboaa Asiedu me dofo betimi frɛ me Maame Gold na wonim sɛ nema ba betena CD na kyese nne ye be kansem last week ye share topic bi ase na ye busa sɛ ehun ko hia anase ehun be hia sɛ woni obi wo hɔ no mo a ɛsɛ sɛ hu sɛ sa relationship no ade value bi anase di bibi kan wo abra bo ho wonya bibi papa firi mu ɛsɛ sɛ relationship no egina sa afapem no so sɛ meni obi wo hɔ no mo a mepese me hu sɛ bia ye tumpon ana me tumpon meni o ma ekoyi anase me ekomechi megina fa ko anase sɛ be mesua bibi aka ho relationship no atweme anase me mum kura menya bibi sɛ de ya ye ni yete no first pa na ma kwa ware ayesi o ba kwa ware pa ene mema nyina kwa ware pa edi enti na mema beka so omo kwa ware pa edi na ya ware pa edi ne nioma omo hia so obi wa ware mu edi na o expect obi wa relationship mu a bi kura enya ware a edi na o pese obehu wo ne partner ne ho anase be ma anase wo ba wo ne tu anamo no na wakase sa relationship we ebeboa enti e bia menton koso edi enso na obehu wo mu no wakase we di ye mfanso heya efra me Maame Yeboaa Asiedu enne me wasofo mienu sofo atwotwo wuru mienu ewa hanom ba ko free London ba ko free US as se ono so ba be busy wa enti ene de hu say in fact ene Ghana ni host me ka ho enti ene show ne no because international what you say efra me Maame Yeboaa Asiedu nenso sofo mienu amenyo mo no sofo Nkum na Apostle Emmanuel Nkum or the Radiant Place asafo ano ewo Ghana no the international figure abrochire baby first North America wananti baby na say na Nyankopon so na so baako na otwe ne twetwere fa play mu ade ne besi ya no se de bi bra na be sha beye bibi ewo Ghana hanom me pese Ghana hasin so ntuma onsem no so etre na nipa wo mu hum ye urade no wo mu so betimi anam so ehu urade enti Apostle Emmanuel Nkum of the Reading Place or hasofo Mwakwa
yeah, Joseph.
Now what to say?
Chris, yes, your home, bro.
Then Yamias, almost wife, and you made.
Thank you. What's sir? I like your hair.
Thank you. Yeah. Back also, I know you're Londoner. Obroni Kura, yes, you are at the Queen Gate, Junction. And your friend, Dr. Philip, Dr. Philip, of. Pacho, where you friends of
na me the senior pastor of Dominion Bible Church.
Dominion Bible Church, London.
London. And as I say, so my best start executive service Sundays and upper or Roman Rich.
Executive service. Hey, services and our service.
Services, yes. Any kusia de be
service.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Okay. This year also betena akra ho. Also aba when we say high de oh yeah the nyamiasi. Enti enne de mpacho international preachers mienu and we Dr. Philippai and Apostle Emmanuel Nkum of the reading place. Omo mienu and enne me omo twetwe nkomo. Ye hwe last week na me omo sha asie. Na so for ba ko ka ho prophet
Fred Poku
Akubia but then we say wasra kwan kakra bi eno so 2019 and want in campaign of achami enya boapa bibi ntina wentimi ama wanhyeda wase me fa munyi nenkra emma munyina na se nchia emma munyina na so mienu wa haide omo yete sapem ntie ne ye be koso ne atwetwe nkomo a last week ye started topic bi na ne hwe say value additions to relationships. Say will be ADT and I say be a more warrior. And you my best now to be who say relationship no a draining. And I say I add value to you. And only a chance say boss on kakra. One and run Apostle Emmanuel Nkum or the na last week now hanum and so kakra mpacho. See so be my na fe me and to us.
I think sir, every relationship is supposed to be a value-oriented relationship. Obuoma when you obi enenama because of bibinti ena ema attraction okra no ebae. Into first of all no, we spoke about financial value. And today I want to talk about security. And also a value. Say nipa kona na mnonim say akwentu na mutu na be wiye.
But the last week ni kakra so na for me because we how went last week so now they are refreshing the kakra be na for me to us or they just 1 or 2 big keke na me to us
last week na ye ka say ye ka value everybody in life has to be able to increase his value system. Na adibia wuye bia na enyame penso say nipa bia wo wi as especially Bema. I spoke about the fact say nyame bo nipa se ne sasoso no bo obo Bema no ono nyame eni sa nipa Bema nyinya nkitamudie owie na oma Bema na edwuma anso na Bema no eyere into me can see so say it's very important say we are Bema. You have to have a relationship with God, and number 2, you have to be able to find something to do. Then you are qualified to be able to find somebody to add value to the person's life. It's very important. And that was one of the areas. Like I say, sometimes too, no, so we your bows or your bear who call relationship ma, say would be the call. And in general, no, idea winning no, want to mean fair ma. And you have to increase your capacity. Say what this why say what me kosia de ebu ma say what me ye bibi na would increase one kasa wo value system amane won nam no so what me ayemo e de amano because idua ba ko eje him a ebu enti no say mu mienu nyina nyame pagya mo a ana say mu ade value to mo ho ebu ma wo school na ye kasa obi ma woni oba bi na mo school na e bia wo nyanko school no kra ndu echire na wa bo oba na no obedu baby o se nya class kra na and na say bibisa all those things and I want you to know that it's not every investment that you get harvest.
Okay.
Adibo ma obetimi adua bibi aya doya ma obi ewo baby office or don'ti but I'm betting you for be full so cry no ashawane mu a enye say wo ma the bitterness of your investment into the somebody who is the image of God no aba shewo so say why boni bi ana say bibinti ntino wunya kwan so betumi abu obi abu nipa kon no wunya kwan so betumi add value am obi a add value mo obi because we are about 7.4 billion people on earth ntinya me bia wadom na wushi obi a but I be ntinya kopon ama wa den we share no nti either the person will be a blessing or the person will teach you a lesson in the two
onipa na case.
No, I don't think so. Because even Judas was a gateway for the fulfillment of the ministry of the destiny of Jesus. Yes, no butaya oba wiase no. Nyen so be bie ni freni. Nyen say obeye bibia. The butaya ne so be hwe ni mojegu. And somebody had to betray him for him to be portrayed.
Okay.
Intino, even Judas, even Mordecai cry. Ne nyoma oye wo Bible mu nyina say Yenkum Haman Yenkum Mordecai Nkum na nyame fa kwan be so no onam the same Haman so the promotion at the Mordecai and there is for me I believe say nipa bia obehye ni bia no whether good bad or ugly, has a contributing factor in your life. And you have to know. Say nipa kuni wa ma bra me e dey opportunity nya meden ba ma kwem that one alone can make a huge level of difference. Oh, pochi. Okay, potty. Okay. I'm not too sorry.
Right. Pochi, the energy say do any as no. You so but we dey any for me sure say someone. So last week be went here be dia wa bobo so titi ade amount. But na ye koye nim na hwe eni o me bi na so for we dey wa ho na me san so busa and I say me ma me fan call Dr. Philip. Doctor, say a relationship be a draining. Two things that is software actually apostle church say just say we share will be a either say ubenya bibia free nipa no enchen and I said there's a lesson to be learnt or something. At what point in we betimi aka say relationship be a draining instead of say nipa no enya bibi because enya bibi not necessarily a physical thing but onya bibi e dey free. At what point we betimi aka say relationship we dey enche na dey any value bia na we dey e draining me. Point to be.
Every relationship must be mutually beneficial.
Okay.
And when one party is not contributing so much to the relationship, not just financially, but emotionally, security-wise, showing love, affection, and if the person has a closed spirit, a closed attitude, na say only there or selfish.
But just Dr. Boy Kakra. And you man boss you ni makuma chechiri. Also emotionally.
Yes.
So emotionally no when you are being drained in your relationship, saying chechiri yemu.
Say bia onya ba to say no share also or your problem you cannot even breathe. What say no share so say emotionally no
I say you are choked.
You are choked. Just his appearance no crampo no you know and when the person is not giving security I say oba I say you don't feel too comfortable, you are like ade crampo no ebe yeni I mean
I said that so be
and that so be and there again so another thing that there's what we call toxic relationship. We say they're poison and
poison.
To say relationship with
it's killing
you. And there's a relationship with your friend turbulent. Everyone want to say problematic. They be to say we say in tokwa kitting. But relationship there enka it should be mutually beneficial. You know, any can even though money is part of it, but at the present of the to say we immediately there is communication, immediately there is connection, immediately there is some this kind of affection that you experience. But relationship be too draining. In fact, when you bape into opeso can be cry humorously na edane serial crap na
dane bufu
and I think so no when a relationship become draining now when there is love say me pewase mo
so do
mo na say bibi atoa I feel the urgency of responding to that need. Say bia o ka akose o kwanso no afrems dog me ka say o kwanso you know if there is this kind of care, security and good relationship
why not afraid to interact.
But when it comes to the level whereby Ofremia, I don't see the need of
yes,
that the relationship is deteriorating. That the relationship is not producing anymore. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is that there are certain few things that happens that makes relationships so draining. But at the end of the day, if I have a relationship with somebody, na say Michiana, Nije, Nkomo, and those times and I'm in Aryee, Michiana, Nkomo, I bit with Nkomo. No, I say okay, me if you say me can be 2 minutes, not news another 3 hours. You know, and to say you always
shower here for fun.
Yes.
Doesn't mean they say you're draining.
Oh, and you're draining cry. Say they're draining cry. Say they're ticker. So what I'm saying is that there must be this likeliness, there must be this joy, there must be this fun, you know. But If you do baby na so so nya nipa na kasa nya na kra no akasa wabre
ana say bia wo ko hu nipa no kra na yeso san wachi
na yeso san wachi
ma me cause of one no so fa bin kan so fo me busa na sem ba ko pe ebrebe no bi beka say relationship with you we can me sure that there's no any value bia papa being added to my life. Of course said the ocheche mu say bi ho no manager say bia lessons na obisua obi gan lessons no usua to the bia na say why you too strong and so etoto at what point na bia obeka say relationship with you sure that wa me.
First of all, adia ma nimpa e decide say oni obi kra benante no odo. So even the bedrock of the draining of every relationship is the total declination of love. Say odona a war relationship no say etia kwa and who say adibia be problem because Bible say odo hata nyoma nyina so enti say odo sha say e free mu a that it is the platform and no it do sambre na we hear dan you will feel drained. Me kai say I had a friend okay waware but Owejuma ma are very happy. O do fear nice in the we are singing abewe. Then I come up and say Kim. Adenya. It looks as if I say waka ko one time for night edna befie. It happens. Okay, it's draining. It's more emotional, but because I don't know anyone to know, among the person is suffering from emotional deficiency. So the connection now ni nipa kono wano, dry, the communication deba, the energy deba, the security in nipa kono krano, wo any or no dachi deal because I don't know. The love should be the drive. And love also is the passion.
But you keep on saying if the love is not there or don't dry. Or there it doesn't mean say be or at a point it's me wo. Never it drew baby it's be dry now.
Everything in life was designed by God in a form of a seed. Adebe Nyankopon ye bia no ye ne sa ba. Even nipa kra no. Okay. Ye nya ba but we release seed. And that seed is what germinates. And everything in life is a seed. If you water it, nurture it, prune it, and harness it well, it will germinate to bring forth fruit. But then, so when we are now when you it will die, and you might be very surprised that it was very beautiful, it was very nice, it had the potential for the future, but because it was not watered, it died.
All right. It's a be work waiting so the insurance go so do my bit me so one.
Oh, they be insured.
Says you so good to be so bit me say.
Oh, they be.
But make you know what they are going to for Greek line.
Oh no.
To the free Greek nyamra we say. Then at the end the water. This is the no. We all want to understand it well. Me sure so bit if you people say Maame ask him well.
Yeah.
At the end water that love bits. At the end, did baba. So don't need one one you keep water, baba. And I don't ba now water and I say do baby now jaya. At the end, the bema we giants on. So please put it in plain language for us now if you share and say.
Okay, so you can say or don't know her. That means the attraction and the attraction. First of all, and secondly, we penny pakuna some with that definition. Enyima de kunte penyi pakona sem but e penyi pakona sem epede nyene kasa epede ehunu krempa doko you see you feel that level of joy in your heart. Now obendema the watering tin no first one
na de gamfant
in your mebo
kodo
obendema as o todokro yin there by there etum wakasa
bye. Oh, mimba. Na kasa. Boy mimba onu.
Kasa mo be kasa no.
Yeah.
Your friend is saying watering. Okay.
Communication.
You're watering. Giving.
All right.
Oma.
And sharing.
All
right.
Okay. The ability for a quick response in times of uncertainty or problem.
And the country.
Okay. So obi eko wunye bi kwa maniem awunya wonne nam no okwa manie bi mu a ekwan ya wosu tumi ye no so is part of the watering. So ube kisho say ne ho ye ana ne ho nye is part of the watering.
Okay.
Ebi kura na spontaneous things you can do to the person, no? Spontaneously, be cry, oh, why in so cry, what to watch it, say me in so way, me to specifically say, me de brow. What I say, me them say Ghana form pe flowers be bre. Until say ban is a crana.
Yeah, crantiani.
And a crantiani.
Yeah. And the flowers.
Yeah. Any nama. Any na say bia nipa ko ne birthday cry no. We remfi. Na wo to me friend no. Na wo ne kasa no. And no cry so etumi e water relationship. Sanya wo betumi create treaty nebusuafo on bambesra wa. Sanya wo no mo be ni nama no cry is part of the watering. Ebu ma sanya bia be ma no ebi kwa wadam keke ba oh did we okay any yi na de ni na is part
showing
of the
concern.
So concern and care and all those things are contributing factors that can water the seed to germinate.
All right. Hey, me da for na ye be no obi ati me analyze the relationship awo me so hwe na ko yi a wo be hu se wo hwe na se bibi wo ankasa wo add value to your relationship and as a relationship no you add value e bi wo ankasa wo nipa no so abra bo mu a wo be hu se dreni hu so a wo be hu ye be wie na je se wa wo be fa bag boko any of fa bag onkra away na je se wasim Dr. Philippai na ta memra so se ka se relationship bi there's some growth in the relationship. You know, say a ding and a chile say relationship be any more relationship any and he found some bit make a relationship be or because I stunted growth and I say I stagnant and come baby.
When it's a relationship in here, one of the key factor is intimacy that is being built. Intimacy. Say every day biano now you draw closer and closer to each other. The be we have to be together. The be so the intimacy, you know, and then number 2, open communication. After the we can talk about everything without the person, anybody feeling like they are being attacked. See, Nkum. So there is open communication, and there again also so much of sharing. Say sharing, we are sharing things together. Okay. So number 1, we are talking about the intimacy bit. We are talking
intimacy, and just also closeness. Say about can you boom? Yes. I don't know intimacy.
And you say person kwa. Yes. But this is the be anu na kunu just your my uncle fan.
In this case, you pay practical.
Yes.
Oh,
to say be
boyfriend girlfriend
be together me the be just say was up we kasa just say we are very close, we are intimate.
Okay.
And a communication you between Nkum for bibia ho yemre and there is nothing secret about myself. I'm open you kasa bibia hypocrite say be say we between di akuna tem but on fano
serious
bia and a bibi crap am betimi aka na mo de asere
so betimi kra yin frama
good
now so yin frama
very important.
Don't me when we open from ye papa yankoso,
you know, and then sharing if you could be bibi we gram no I think say this will look a bit fatal and I say can we say and I say baby bia and I say bia bibi and there again relationship get it better. We don't take off. We don't easily get offended. You know, yama she.
Ya boom fu on your man.
You say bia me can say me for 10 minutes time. Now my fro and I could do 2 hours. You know.
Now a big deal.
Now a big deal.
Blown out of proportion.
Yeah, blown out of proportion.
Then just send the sentiments be or
not to say we have intimate build the relationship in a year.
Oh, right.
And I feel so no when the relationship getting closer, I feel me steady me till mannerism I say. Me who anima meet me so person din Nkum na so person din Nkum. You can say meet me okay this is the time was a bia mitraso and me ma woko. Okay. You know, so when the
Nipana rampe. No so person
and I said there are certain will say in the voice confirm and I say bia bibi, you know. So there are things that shows that a relationship is growing. Okay. You know, and these are some of the few things. And obio relationship biano, you have to be vigilant and see say adieno kosro and say bafem. My true book be the title of the book is War Against the Killers of Marriage. Okay. And Niema etimi kun Aryee.
All right.
Me kasa fa Niema makumako 19. And sa book no so me sa kasa kakra fa and Niema ekire say your relationship no future ewom. A relationship no ebetimi aye better and better.
Yes, ebetimi atenemu akosi afebo.
Yes, yes. So if we don't know the ingredients that will make our relationship stronger, we're all going to have problems.
Yes. Where do you suffer? You may call a suffer harbor, apostle harbor, a bar. No bon kitten bibi mama, because in Zambia mobile boss on a very important way, and then you shop value additions to our relationships. Say may then me who some relationship be 2 points and your mama can dear dancer say just say be honoma we are I said the can. Oh, the other day also say relationship no a grower. No say be a debia mutimi bon komo. Moye fine. Moye say. Let just say. I know you the a grow no. It's the and also a call for mono. At the end you did. Apostle say relationship no. Say be a grower. A reverse na. Let just say it's dying, right? So if your relationship is dying, now then it means say just say shut down more work when be also. What are some of the things you see? Signs. I would be who say the relationship is not working, be it marriage or employment.
Number one is lack of attraction. So
I get a lot of calls, especially from young women. On because of Maame, maybe I catch so worry and cry no pay. I had 2 calls. Almost say memo babe worry. Ba ko cry say o ma bobo ho o ma set date for marriage. But who say relationship no Nkomo bi anim. Yeah. Papa no friend na o say o choro no de mama o say o relationship nya akoye how are you? Where did he? O say o ma wo how is the baby? Or say our relationship, our communication is centered on whether we are all right, whether we've eaten. I want to make Nkum 10 minutes continuously. As we said, baby, no baby, no baby. We said, I said 1, 2, 3. No, so okay, all right. And actually, then that's it. But they are getting closer to their marriage, and I said their wedding. Do they have a relationship?
I think they don't have a relationship.
A future.
They don't have a future because the future of every relationship lies in the ability of both of them to develop an absolute communicational system.
And no, hit FM there na kan Adom.
Kofo mi nu a ombe to me abomwa ombe to me edin komo because mutuality has a way of bringing actuality of their future. So to me ebeye mutual. Yes. Now there cannot be a deficiency in communicational compatibility for a marriage to be sustained. What I say, marriage can never be sustained. Gun to me, Emma Waribi Engina, Wabra, and the ebe say daho you are Aryee kind of relationship. Okay, and also so no.
Nice a master servant
kind of. Oh, medical to ubedi de me say aduane we na medi nti me ba me nkra me fro kra na ma fam say ma catch us me befie nti no communication enye nti bu ma there is something the man is enjoying from the lady ebia he enjoy the bedmatics in bia oba no one ne ye wo mpem mpaso or enjoy e bi nso so a o feel say bia oba we de metumi ahye no so intino because some men are also bossy. Okay, what I say now, all those things in na ekum da action because ade bia nipa beye bia immediately oni obi be ware no ma beye honam ba ko honam ba ko mi say nipa ko ne da na da so ya wo da so baby o ko na ho na wo ko okay ne shebre abeye wo shebre enti very strong enti obi a ne shebre abeye wo shebre wontumi ne nkasa na mo ko he And you will suffer from what is called duality, like me bakwenim saha na bakwenim saha.
We roommates beside.
Yes, and to say your roommate crowd say bia adie wa he bako kwa this way, we so kwa this way. Okay, and they will never be able to meet at the center point to be able to get to yes. Inti way on a more so me kundia no pa say bi on meda inti no me so me pa down for be, and this is what brings also certain level of extramarital distance because won't me name nkasa na me old friend be e friend me on me kasa on me bon komo o ma me ni je enye say bia ye pese ye omoye bibi but with time we say o ma say do mo because communication has a way of bringing certain level closer. Of closer and spices into it. And this nipa kona wo kana asem sesia so say akosha want to say where did he na akwada no you end me frɛ wo mefro biwa dia na won swear
what to say all right
yo and the bekasa why
but yeah automatic now communication in relationships automatic DNA cause the dryness because in some amokanyina dodo na agina communication DNA cause the dryness of communication no is it that na wo hodada and ayira and I said the man yiraye nioma ben and the man yiraye and na obi betimi amanaba say the girl yi or the ba ya omo kwa kwari it is here onya ware no mom ware oma wo baako mom but mom ware na wo monti omo ho because
won ware ba wo ware na se wo beja ware a ete se wo de gam
edi ata utrimi
edi paper me no edi agbo na wo de gam na wo tim no ba na ko ponsi o chiri nya se bia o nyame nchiri ne wo ja ware o chiri ware because of agwariguo because of who separate here a lot of problems that comes alongside
right
with okay enti no meka che nipa kono say me nuano no a meka che no plane say on say the bag
but so for the my rushing cause our conclusion me busa say that be dem busa say e automatic na like that communication thing no e automatic say obi honoma because there are several people like that your relationships be one common mo and someone so ti honoma you wow what who said the relationship is dead and buried but they are still there you say me person say communication thing no I am not free everything and then man dry and then man ba said the omo ni bi sese omo tie ye no bibi wo ho betimi aye na omo dia spice that communication bit na ebe my relationship no more feel say is running and why
first of all I believe first of all temperament has a role to play in communication ebi awo wo pekasa pa we ye no ko share no kra no oba bekaso you me ware no kra no ebre yan so bekasa you me ware kra no in a very like wo breye what I say onu angasa by nature no pekasa ene wo ho and so about this you have to do a lot to bring what is inside of her. And one of the things in say wutumi ni pie. Say wutumi bona bodin. Say o kache say me do e shy you but me no one year bon koma ho. Look at say osiri. So wutumi crack jokes kaka nkebe. O we say oba because some of them is lack
so it means that you have to do a lot.
Yeah. Obinim so
and so draining.
Very draining. very in fact it's a work of its own. Obinim so they lack confidence because of their background.
All right.
Ebuma usano or kasa na ne stepmother and stepfather and asa ne maami na ne papa nkasa abona sum and asa wa bono and no man be o no amani pako no suffer from timidity na enom sa timidity no timidity breaks intimacy in communication ema edisrobi aba be hye mu subconsciously enti bibi ni kra na wo maame na wo hu no ana papa na oye obibi na ase wo hu no because ono ni a wo ni mu na enti eno so no has a way of making sure that
the relationship never wins
netsa ni pa kono wo pese wo solve that problem na ese wo kire excessive love na nemo no be ka cho se wa femu no se oye bibi kira de kire wa na wa ka kire se sweetheart kaka ma forgiving way enye bibia we enye bia obema ho apopo ana na bia we let's go na bia wo so ne mo na bia mo na ntikakra na woni di nkomo na no look wo bibi sa asia esi da nti ade anko no fi se wo betie megu no so no because how ye dey no one yes ba ku mienu miensa you are helping the person to activate something that is dead inside of
self-confidence.
Yes, self-confidence is also.
Whoa, and Nadia me sure so be a wotie bibia wo sua a lot from our two men of God. Omo ya so for me no. Now when it comes to relationships and all there, omo you very good ba kokra there. On there be no yes seminars in there. They say the baby business ka kra wo kana phone. Uyi omusa and yes be Dr. Philip. Dr. Yeshe.
Okay.
Said there I want to become. Okay, now that's awesome. Said there na or a software can. Let's just say there are things you do ever bridging that gap of communication. Ubi ho no monso said there or no I can say you have to do a lot. Let's just say be two temperaments in your machine. Where the extreme, where's the extreme? Ah, no ntimi enti wase. Why they be breaky jinx no? Why? My relationship no ntimi fan say be edru baby a. We feel say once a relationship be tie one sided. Edru na ebedru baby na ba ko pe na aso kasa. Ba ko pe no who say there's a problem. Ba ko pe na call for reconciliation. Ba ko pe who said there's something not going right. Any idea? Several relationships, especially marriages, several relationships are like that. It's if you say if you are with a partner and I say we say otisa na who said na jia na ejigu. Jia na ejigu won kwa na bia waso maso na se ba ko no waso maso he fa na afa we ka say betimi aba na ya make amends no sa na da bia be because obi so be ka say menkwa na da bia me try ma twi papa ya bre we say ma twi maame ya bre.
One of the things you have to understand is that in a relationship, you have to first of all appreciate the personhood of the personality, the temperament, whether it's sanguine, phlegmatic, choleric, melancholy, whatever temperament you have to appreciate the temperament of the person. Sanguine or moody, appreciate first of all the temperament of the person. Okay, if
so
it's very important that this is what we say. We are very outgoing, very exciting woman too. Okay.
But who already is why?
Entino. Semino Asia. You, I mean, almost like a son. Okay. Now, in communication relationship, several things are very important. Number one, the tone, the time, the point of interest in the relationship. Must be considered.
So for
the tone, voice how they be kasa, and at the time na
ebra no
ebra ebu onuma me say mano papa de me pese me yedin na me de meditate. There are certain times when my enye good for communication, and there are certain things be honomo
you're good for conversation.
And the place ebu onuma see etimi kotina baby ni etimi kasa ye me ne me yere say
and yes mra wo mu
anya mra
adopa won kasa
no
ewia na obesmale
no anya mra
say bi wo epese e gaji se kotina baby
no
so
me ka
mra na
anya mra me ka say you have to understand how to build communication. Me sure say if Bible kind of 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 7 or see that every man should learn how to dwell with their wife according to knowledge. We have to learn to know each other. Okay, and you know there are certain places to say be kasa. The result I want to achieve, I will not achieve it. So be able to Holiday Inn, na breakfast near home just to create an atmosphere.
Bra to our realm. That's holiday. I want to turn our continent. It's a full way to know. I can't hear.
Okay, joint BRC.
What you can say, your best way and sacred to pass. Yeah, simple things.
Before him saying so answer. A problem. Before him saying so answer. I'm telling you.
Before B.
No, baby. I'm telling you.
Say when you boyfriend and our girlfriend, I know who you are.
That is one of the
says Africa. According to
how I wish saying commit me a certain part the most.
Yeah, that's a Facebook and I hear live. It's a bit to crash.
Say, Unama, London. No, me, Abrofo. Our mood did.
Yeah.
Oma somonsa
o kan obi man so asa
nyabotre na minka semwie
all right
oma somonsa anomuko na obibini a ono so ne partner be ma ni di anim ya kan ho be se nye
so ne nsa se ne ka se won so ne nsa
entino emema be o si yesua sa ne ma ne yesua ye
sofo anu ti na wo ha enti kire ye nkeke mention anka se ye be before the ye ntimi nye
mama
I said wa condemn ye bi sa
because as mama ka sem even Africa mema bebre nim se ne doba bebre nim se ne doba
e ho de koso e hongwa de let me the time ni nyina acha
bebre nim se ne doba mama ka sem tro when it comes to love you see oba there are certain things you do that communicate love to a woman.
Bajo preach cause why me the time ni nyina so for day me time ni na me say kasa
and there are certain things me say there are certain things that you do to a man that communicate love. Number one,
so for ni
be maybe up a good sex. Number two, obe maybe up oba oni meduane no ye because I'm telling you this because Anna obe maybe up oba so obetima ye fie homely titim se wo refia wa be fie hot kama eduane so obe different spices kama eba sex so obe satisfy kama
original.
Okay, because there are things that men see as love.
Okay,
and if you're a woman and you don't know how to express those things towards a man,
ti oba woni meduane no ye oba o ma good sex oba onim how to make a home.
Yes, and
that's it.
Oba so obetimi so a engage ni kunu wo ni business Nkum enyama ekosen you know how be show interest
I said your money ra efutu ana money kun na be ma no efutu
enye futu
efa na djuma
yes but you show concern say at least you know
enyama ekoyi
you are able to understand and support.
All right.
Anna a man so be so don't realize say Emma even though mu pesika no money is not a determinant of love for them.
Hallelujah. So for preaching
Anna
Ochana no wakasa oh Dr. Philip Misikasa
Anna even though
Emma de no waka ni nyiro ti hwe na ma de no nya ba kokra o
Anna even though Emma pet dressing say na wa dress isi we
dressing
clothes is not something that move them obebia problema obe show care into to obema no
it's a responsible man
obema no meba obema a person show love to oba ye ba na dwam say enko cross so am ko crucify that best na me no nkoda to a man but oba obema no domestic support ebia oye aduane o kitchen ho na unam ho no afa generic kakra no so twetwe bi kakra ma no no abone to kakra no ani kakra no ahuru chensi kakra ma no you know everything starts from the kitchen.
But what mama we are not necessarily domestic support. Support in all obano.
Say me can say me my point is the bar. Okay. Anna obabia nso obema or support in terms of finances. Tie me. Tie say ba ko.
Cause
mema bebre obema bia obetimi akase wabo wo yire bosia onye bema papa yembo ye yire bosia ye che ye yire sika
obi kura boss and interest ka ho
you know, and the problem Maame ye face wa ware nim say me book back wa me try me friend book near making your marriage work.
How to say, and then what why do you say launch 2 books in now?
Oh, there be.
What I say? Who say programs are there couldn't say that and top papa bia and 2 launch in now.
Because Maame ka say me tro. Mimi say Nyankopon na hu mobo. Ano kire me say near door ba.
But I no na ye pesa wo kire yen no. Ye nim da bia de nwan no boa yen. Bema bi tie nyame anim no ye jaba wo de nyame ye wadom Ghana ha do wo di bia fine ukodi abroche so do oja odi Ghana do odi Ghana mini memodin Doctor memodin aha ye ko ye nim tie ya ye modin ye ko ye nim ezi Doctor wo di Ghana do kakra ena nyame adom ko experience abroche so do so kakra send ye do ba
and make
you made mention of it me person church
yes
send ye do ba. Apart from the 2 now boy and say oba pe domestic support and omisheda emfa ho dressing ne ade a saying be
if we say affirmation so betimi affirm no amane hu say this is my girl. How
about protection?
Oh say menchere.
All right bobo so my
affirmation affirmation is say me ma obi above public and private. Me do yasini. Me affirm oba no. Then there's what we call acts of celebration. Birthday. Something that you've achieved. I become so excited about it. Okay. So and there's no kind of protection. And so come. I make say anything that like I said some time ago, Kofobi a second behind me. Me catch a message in chain. Me bo mama. Yeah.
Kiabowe
oh there be untimi mbomi enkrani untimi mbomi
ojo ngo na gba imo
me nko
ojo ngo na kwa get the shop boy
entino say oba no be feel say or you protected around you you know to say bia a fake bia say and say bibia say what to kwan you know you make sure say everything is
intact.
It's intact.
All right,
but the point I'm say me can you say to a many men they only demonstrate love when by sex, but that is not actually the real thing that demonstrates love.
And yeah, no your dono.
And yeah, no dono. But there are some acts, there are some things that you do, and there again, so no. Also, be maybe as near. You have to know what your partner likes so much, and then meet the needs of that partner.
Okay.
So now we can say be I'm me to another book.
Oh,
in one of my book,
another book.
Because about the needs of a man, the needs of a woman. If I don't know the needs of a woman and I don't meet the needs of the woman, there cannot be love. And the wife equally, if does not know the needs of the man and does not respond, there cannot be love. Okay. So that is what I want to say. Say, or don't you see any feeling? Yeah. Sometimes we be catch so me dona me chese me hunu krapa na me ntimi hu me. When you do sa point pe when you asthma, we yare. So
so dona na ntimi hu me say hu na bibi ya ye wo. All right. Eti wrong say bia oba so de na wura nyina be hye relationship no, because you meet people and they will tell you say ma me maame ye me papa ewu ti bi kun na yem bibia and abe maame ware na yem bibia any idea is also wrong?
Yes and no, depending upon where you're coming from. The reason I'm going to say this is because obebia so timi gina wona so se ukunu ni hono mo a so timi gina wona so, and that is one of the things that
ukunu ni ho a asa na wo timi gina wona so
or se ukunu ni hono mo a e was say utimi ejina wona so.
All right,
you know, sebio mpofrimo wewu and I say bibia ba
and I say the 9 great twitwa,
you should be able to stand on your own. Now, okay, say me kuni mi bibia so sana. What do you mean by say kuni bibia so sa? You know, what do you mean?
Yeah, one we are when shock on the idea. Maame go sofo abos and somebody another more church be pa
Mr. Meka say what now
oh that be wa kai they said you launch 3 books here now ni minim say nya dia some minim say jama on na pages no but fortunately for us no while landing on page 17 here there e fancy ha na yento aso but so for yen share said o kekan obobo nioma bebre so I say I say Ghana high in particular that's nipa bebre ni how to love
no
a man ni enim do a man ni enim do and as I said here can in several relationships say I say a one sided e to de bia obe hu obi no say oba no na ye bibia oba no nko na say everything falls on. Is it that ye mistakes in our choices and san you drew and san ye kope the ebe ma relationship na working and I say bia we are you choose right name me ko drew what we are and na bia BBC nema relationships no etimi ye basa ana tinkane love no etimi kone ade. What do you think?
I think every relationship we enter into is based on assumption and presumption and wishes.
Hey, with the honorable for the
because nipa o pesa wona na nante no ebia abonten kwa na wehia no wonya nhia na wofida nti wonim nneoma bi obeti
na washa boxes da
wonhu se washa boxes da wonim se na wo kotwa
ni koto dwe kura
what I say wonim se ne nipa konete nti womunna abonten nyina no you are measuring the person by what you saw the person behaving outside. Ebi kro kaka akra nya ne dia. Ebi kra na ono akofie bia na busua fie. Busuafo nyina tukun so ne fie ba akokra ni. Enti no wadwe nyina ne say oh ebi a wo kwe dia you are made. Enti ebi oba no so no wabe cosmetologically inclined. Wo hwe okohu nanimi wi na say oyi na atari wi kra you will also be surprised. So everything looks like
is that you?
Yeah. You know, one here could be me, Johnny. And you know, we all walk by. I use the word assumption and presumption because Minka said by faith, because faith there, and I just say, Nyamina catch it because faith cometh by hearing, and hearing by the word of God. Nyamina catch us say ya, and Jidia Wunya Nyamina Wutuanamo, but Wujidia Wunya or Banimana Bemanum Wutuanum, and be assumption and presumption.
Okay.
In Tianuku Rumwa, then that is when you are about to dig to figure out who the person really is. And I said, Dr. Kase, and for Africa for Yenimuda. For one reason, say every country has a culture.
All right.
And our broform culture and some so muslim no.
I'm yes, you cry about you. Yes, you cry about you. We are planning so I am true. We are about you. Who come Ghana from Mara who say
I went to France and they came to meet me at Charles de Gaulle Airport. On my farm, you know, and conform na kissing me, Samantias. I was wondering, like, why is everybody kissing me like this?
Did you ever see your father hugging your mother?
Yes.
How many times?
Not as
many times. Once or twice. But I don't know. Hey, cultural thing. Hugging, kissing. Almost street is so grand, no big kissing. Ghana, only plan.
Many papa na yo. I don't know.
So for as of Mamuza, only more plan. Money more plan. Oh, plan me. Only more plan. Seka si hon mo nankrofo mi enu hyem na ka de wo so. Ya fa o plan. Police ni ben wo obeche mo. Mo gra mo shega mo. Mo gra ya beche mo. Na mo jira na bi kisi. I public nuisance. No be go for to talk pictures.
Oh my God.
Yes, you have beche mo. Eti ya de ni kisi ni yeah. So for ya oga kan gwa na meti. Ma fanga tin. Yeah, you can Africa do.
No, Africans we are lovers. We are literally
Africans must show more because said most people think relationships in Africa are draining. Obroni you be nante. No for say I say relationship are one sided. Obejan.
Yeah.
Yes, you at the end of the day. said the wow kind and you may be I said that Bible no dey not ase so you watch me so why said the other chewing matter to trim me as an to nature to trim me it's yeah so the who can in say Africans a chere odo well who said no the who say odo.
First of all, I mean who say Africa for any who pass a your done. One of the things is communication. Maybe so no. We will be to me you be nanti. If you want baby a ton do kono no mako mu fie. No mu gina hwa kodi nkoma no masanso asan wachi ababa kibio. Anom say akosia no masanso akobia. One. Two, and you can say,
and the beginning of the love.
Oh, but every love has a diminishing timing. Yeah.
Cosway.
Number two, giving. Oma. Africa for mema. They take care of women.
They bring some more day, massa. They bring some more day. Me say. Most about 80% of a world na me tomano. Me tukwa America be bia me tomano.
It's of ube juanu me. Kwaso. Emema mutie de na musia de o.
But emema bebre ono ma he. Onini yiri post shoe size. Onini shoe size.
The body say
onini
what this
embema bebre. That so is it in the foreign countries. Me now for
send me message why me pa cho. O message no between Facebook
they have a way of expressing their love.
But I told me so send a message. What me 0207939870.
Unim say alata for mema. Be prepo enim send your doorbells in Ghana for mema.
Alata for mema. Oh, you are talking about? Are you using population census?
I'm talking about
chance. Chance. Dr. Philippa says, what are you presenter? That's what are you host? I say, I don't know questions. Hey, serious. Young boy, the middle of way, but I also do so for me and also can be chairman. Say, cannot relationships. You come with then say, ye 2 points, ye be a yentim. At the end, ye hear Nimusa Bay, ye bay, and as ye be a better say ye 2 points. Near my best on a chess as a relationship. No, a draining, I say, I say, said, Yashum, I say, ya bread. I say, Yanki, Yami. Obu must say minyan kame dwane agya meyere obi so minyan kame dwane agya meku obi so say nyame ni minyan kwala ipa nka nyame kame kwa ya ka che edi nti na ya ma ye feel sa e ye say ntimi no ye ho e say ntimi nche ye feelings nchire ye yere num ye kunum and I said then and a man sa pacho bomodi and a frame number ni 0302 216 561 0302 216 562 and a 0268 499-347. From me and also for a drink Fabra na yina ntimi komeka wo say program me ye wo Facebook live o hwe yan be huni nyina bo Dr. Philippa say wadani hoster ono ebusebusa questions any omu me no wadani omu a omu kontokwa Apostle Emmanuel Nkum omu nyina so any abreak de wa ha omu West Africa do e good when to say abreak do and e good Ghana had it yeah no
love is expressed based on culture. And it is true because we call be Kubia Becumbiano and
said the Omotiano nature or dom
no bit crassy or tree barriate. Which one goes on the same non conconante. While Brown or Peso could form quiet Jumana, only be not the Buffino mean and Yabi. Intino a near council nature with milk too.
The council and I said, you do it in a trem. Bet me who you want. Now, Frank over Sudio, oh, yellow Frank.
Yeah.
I got Frank now to saying.
A promo.
But church and I what you who saying some I can then say, only be relationship, same country and as our year. And then I chase a twasso. Nako when him and as will be trasso.
Okay, a bad relationship more. Yeah, man, you know, a relationship, you know, ain't means, you know, because if you are not both parties, you know, Obia will predetermined mind. Or the Pobi is in it is a relationship with Mammy. The copy we, and I say we, and I say, into your core, NASA expectation is not met, not just any relationship making you hammer. But relationship, if you enter on power, Kuma. Say oh kwako boa mho ama ejinama bedane Aryee but say what the predetermined mind say japade na ko pray anasa the nasa be man nya hu trimpe wo ba na waboka
E do feel say bibi sa na je say madwen wo otrim no enka otrim ana
e ka otrim say dash ku pin so ho be kire
enti ani oba ne den
the best thing is say you love the person wholeheartedly men fa a probing ko 2-3 months say me won say be me ni sem go bi anasi that be what is our entire relationship it is already we go no crazy that.
All right,
go in with your heart.
We dey anya bre anka be busa say na we wan wo bi a okọ relationship a bibi ani ni tiri mo ode ni sa obi kan ti bon koso sa ode akọrọ aware yenim say ba me say so odwen bibi hu ansa na ode akọrọ am but all the same we dey
it do two relationship nem pon enye selfishness.
All right yeah that's say me fa Jaffa nso Jaffa na Jafta. All right, Jafta so Edifree Avenue. Hello, Jafta.
Hello, madam.
Mr. Tata saying.
Patanya mi Adom. I'm sorry.
Adom Nkomo be me na me yentie won so adwen kire.
But Mr. Masem ni say. En wari e mumba na my girlfriend. Na my girlfriend am ne de wono. Bibia opibia me ye ma no. But we do sometime bi no na ama eduma me ye no na ko from kakra. Intino like no pebia mintimi enye bium eze bia mintimi enye na oba bi ye bi edu be bi girl say mintimi ye 100% no intino sisia de when you obi a obeso when the movie on and I'm see okay so when you obi on the movie on
yes so when you obi a no man 100% wo de na just so ate won
but just am so interest
wo de na ti bedru ahembo ame
but just say
wo de na ti percentage na ti bedru be ahen.
Oh, to me, the rest I can say about 30% there and a TV so.
30 net, take a 70.
But if you can come here when you know when you say beer, it is sometime like gave ya. Meet me for go to be now base here and go on country, but one can win you now. Yeah, mean united to Grambuno, Mancasa. If I need up to now catch any beer, me clean to provide in 100% in Famona, who there. Not just say bia unyi ba you inte man bi ho so we bi mom san ne du tan na o show to down pe na kan o mu ye den o mu jawa no inte o mu he na o mu
yo bebe na me da papa why we dey ko se we be ka say yakọ kram me fa Alankash wo Caprice. Hello Alankash.
Hello Maame Yeboaa anaboko de
Alankash na ka say anane Maame.
Onu ankasa.
Hey, any your voice is all my voice.
Sanity, nyame na esira me.
Papa, bemena. Kasa na mitie.
Mami, o hwe en question a wode tude ya. Me kakra me kan se. Be mani obey na. Moko relationship mu a. Sempna twim e de be wuram e be kwa ware no. Mo study mu ho. Ana sabi meka ade atu edwa ama obi a woni mate oye bema ana oye oba test o partner no test ne hwe one test na hwa ni weak point no sa no di ko gwa mami
ba cho boy test na say se wutua no o sa no
o ye se sabi o oni ne kodo o treno sabi weak point ebikura fanise senabufuo bi obesena bufuo nu wahu ni weak point ana se bi obetimi amana little money bi se bia onfanye bibi obeshow attitude bi achiro onu so wenti anya sa de no ana bem oba so se woni bem anu wo ta relationship mu na se bi katani se bi sada akatani se woni bia Obama way, only way at the P.
Oh, Alankash. I'm a yapa. Why? Maame for Georgina so Michelle Camp. Hello, Georgina.
Hello, madam. Good evening.
Good evening, Miss Sweetheart. Net saying.
Bacho Adom.
Ede nyame ase. Gina ain't you.
Miss me wo kakra wo.
All right, in Pacho kasa no muti you.
Ya wa ni kuna wa FES.
Gina Pacho gina ye kakra wo line mu breaki.
Ne Pacho nka.
Ai gina ye kakra na line ntimi nya we.
Ne Pacho nka.
Okay, o de kasa.
Ne Pacho ya wa FES. Me pacho isi ano be ma no awusi wa oni bi akọwo me etu akotina oba no ki me pacho mpeto musa lawyer ni se me eja wa ya ni
o se be ma na tu o se be ma na tu akotina yin
akotina oba no oba na ko yensa no oba ya wona ne
oni oba na wo me yensa eti ebrebe no tuja wo no
be 9 years ni
9 years ana 9 years no watena se saa na afi na abekan
if I saw a woman me dia sam ne court ma family no oba na di kan oba na court ka cheli say on to me family enko ware ti akwala ko wa on akwala no na omresti obefi
na oba na waye ne ho ade de
minim
an so onye ne ho ade de say won timi improve bibia say obetimi improve say waye ne ho ade de na ne say ye kan say bigami no na say won timi improve de na say betima ban say eye mpranche na say ne baby mama ene hoye ne de no kwa no ada ho
na me pacho say e ke onye ne ho ade kra na woni na wo ati a woni ne ti a
but ohwe
me pacho de bi
onhwe o
me pacho de
9 years
me pacho
omo akohoma mo ma
me pacho de bi enwo ye
what do you wedding
10 years me pacho I me topic na awono emba me ko hospital e kasa me
oba janu ne ko wani we dey tie yi so na e wono
me das
o ja wo 9 years monwo ye o ja ho ne oba for 40 9 years dia ene o te ho twen be bris ade aye den sa ya so me ka cho me nkan bi da but we die uja na ono kra uja wache nti janu kenkwala wo mu dia nka betim de na kokot na ja okay janu ebi kra be ma foforo be ba no ni jeans ba no be ye den mo awo ntafo straight yemfa hoinko
hello
bye
mama
Edzai
ami Adom na mso
Adom go abebe na
yes you the mechanic say na mpenifo no sofo kasim bi say Ghana ha esno yedo
ai go for bebre aga on Facebook say sofo omo ne onya adwe o be so kire say Ghana fo nim do say Ghana fo nim do esi agodo ne katie enfo na de do say Ghana
odo pa be so bia ni de we odo ni do no ede efa
aya abo ami paya
ablofo de no ye say omo na ma mutumi so munsa omutumi kisi omo na de ade ba Ghana ha pressure what town no masa so wo so ire nsa kura so nam kuma bibi obi be wo ato akore no enye ije odi azenti no yeri modo pa ba
my pa abo ami Ghana ha say ye do no say na ye di no ha say na mo mema no mudi odo no kire doctor
oh ye do no ye di no dem ye fam pia bonti
mudi wa dem nko ha
yes the way pressure what town no madam say wo ko so hu kanisa
yes the pressure that what town no so
obi be wo talk to baby ma pressure obi di ba no won so na obi di do kwam o da bi e be wo talk to madam
was the pressure what town no even one go so obi say on need do pressure obi hot obi di ba no worry wa to actually am baso baya me na asenya me nchira ho ma me fa kwa apia
hello mama
me sweet na what say
nyame Adom poko
kwa apia ni e last call am pa to kasa yen ko ati
me try
obi ajo so
na mama ko kasa say awaria no fa say relationship wa communication no and that very strong
na kwa apia he na o she na ase de odi kuntu yi kuntu ni fruit na trans ne yen kasa
ayo
na mitimenti woni na de na obema ya obe
But then they had that and the question will do all my race do all communication won't pa by the time on the show what take cry am better do all my romantic pa and so in turn the quaco year and this animal in on the question we are fan cafe and our dinner na engineer do our
the person chen say enka hu
who Koso throwing a man do all penko and so your dog romantic but na so no your dog
kwa pe abo ami nyame sro wo mu wodo say na wo be kire na obi obetinche obi otinche bi hu say odo udi odo kakra odo no nyamistro wo mu na odo wo mu na gina wo mu saa obi be hu wo apart from so abojak e dey no obi be hu se odo aba
oni obi a open komodie bebre ne kalata komodie ni na brabo but odo no yere fa ase ne fiti ase ode ba na oni obi open komodie aka no but no interest any pan ntimi wale no yere o odo no pa ba komodie nya de a ope
kwa pia jama yira da na mbe so beti won
o da me nche pa
eno wakasa buku sheda kasa boko because unu so o yire so ba kasa fa phone to yo abia era so why eno adwen kire nya me nhira mu nyina mu amofre nyina ma ya de doctor Ghana for the amount wo ukonanti abrochire kakra nti e yo say dey almost street no cry ya etimi mo odo di ekoyi o Ghana ha kwan na wen basic na mo e na moto ni okada aje road akwa
you go be ball cry
who go di love we enti yeah ba o say
oba on a serious note so be me say no be do oba no so
all right
yeah, we have to learn. It doesn't come by itself. It's something we learn.
Okay. And the show say of let's say relationship no e drain you do. E be one side they said you kind. One person they show love, one person they show so much care and doing so many things at the same time. Maybe I feel said the other person is not pulling. It be on say we should then value papa be out of that relationship. What then do you do? Then
I would
how pay relationship no. Unya nkebe but who say I say wa bre oh bebre
yeah so like we have to look at from the other person.
Okay,
the person is not talking to you much. What else again would the person not be doing? If that
sounds so yeah
no this is a rhetoric question. Okay. A question that may be bizarre.
All right,
it doesn't need answer.
E beti ba say nipa na en kasa match. E beti mi so ba say nipa no e bi kwa on support I quite remember some ba ko boy obi on sheda nya match support from the person obi ho no ma bia bibi na mu decide so of course every relationship dey build there mu nyina mu future ka ho enti adwin we hu kakra e beti me turn to be very selfish.
Yes, but
obi ho say we are very selfish ono kwa ne ho kwa na e bia odwin on sheda andwin the other party no say the okay bibi to me shede hu ono no effort to be a ode ba any ade but e bia ba ko eboa ede na ne obeya obi kan say so betimi encourage the other person and so because onya ho and I want to musa. What do you think?
There's no compatibility in the relationship. Oceana's relationship in sono is not adding value to your life. Oceana timu say it be a 2-3 years. Why yeah. You can just quit. You can just quit because it's better to quit courtship.
Osofo. And can we? Courtship now can.
Yes, it's better.
Now Aryee swing.
Yeah, Aryee. You have to always work it out. Yeah, there are a few grounds that I think you can call for separation.
Okay.
Abuse. So be to me catch yourself. Would you be fear me the trouble ball me the sick can be ball.
Oh, can we are. That's what threatening wa or can. But you said this relationship is getting to a toxic point that you cry and your life won't see our okay. And then abandonment. They say girly. Your phrase is 9 years.
9 years. And then send a Bible can adultery. I call it three A's. You know, abuse, abandonment, and then adultery. You can consider separation.
Okay.
There's a marriage counselor, Nadine James Dobson, or say you can always consider separation, trying to work things out. If it does not work out, you can just
quit.
All right. And let me say this: God loves a divorcee. God loves.
So for saying Nkum media soon out
the reason being that sometimes will be Jawaria. If we say the wrath of God,
okay,
but God loves a divorcee.
And God
also Okay, Maame Jensi.
So for the binade na kan bro fu mu a example me gire mu pe wo say Apostle Emmanuel Nkum of the Radiant Place in Pacho. Last we see on especially the Mibusan, yeah. When you feel say the relationship you're not getting so much of from it and you feel drained in the idea, what then do you do? What the other side
I think sir, my own is very simple. You have to reprioritize, find out relationship now if it's not working for you. Like I concur with Dr. Philip. You can either you are not married yet. If you are not married, you are not legally binding, you are not divinely binding to that relationship. Until ube to me separate you, it's better say ube separate ewo relationship courtship
and penetration.
Can
I get it?
And
that's a day program. What the courtship relationship courtship? Nidi ye ba ko penetration.
And penetration say obe say awari enti no adibisu omunso a ye ba be komu a unsa na manyina eya na yebu ye niguso nti afie komu wi a na ka koya adisu akasi da eden
amaye
ena again no so obia so otie me bia so hu say there is always a room for improvement so obedo obi so obe increase our value say obe wa ma obi say unko so obi nek nkem kochoku in the name of Odo, but Ubefa Kwan Bia Suna, what to me,
because will be neck moon joking because in the name of Odo, not anything.
No, that simply means, Obu Mat said, Yasha say, Ayekano. Dr. Philip make his statement be from the beginning, also, Obu more or Uhuno cries, or Choku. Like or tormento. What I say?
No, a day a bed then will be our one any one move and I'll be who now, or where Phyllis any pano tormento and I say, oh, choke you and I say, I want to munch
saying attitude.
Maybe a nippon was subi.
Attitude, mannerism, as if you're a woofu, you're no two tantrums in the air. Like, oh, you to me crash short toe down as if so when you'll be serious. And some of those things into me couldn't person soon. And you know, it must be reconsidered.
So who I know the and who say so
a relationship there and there made to be made to.
It's our Aryee. Yeah, can I want 40 through the pa.
I want 40.
It will be obvious to relationship no so feeling.
Tina seriously. Don't because it be a me because it be a.
I don't know because I
Tina I was say me say sorry me the third Sunday of every
just a open nipa ko sorry. Odi nyabotire be duro no man. Dey me busa ne so odi akire new general.
I was say you have to educate yourself in marriage. That's what I'm heading to also. Bacho kase.
Me sheda anye yi na ntwe nipa ma wa sorry. Dey no na make me say obi feel drained. E wona o maka mpra twe dey fe. E na edru aware. And I'm saying, Aryee so dear no. So be womb. Maybe or feel say or problem. Ebia or feel drained or feel say ebia obano one be man you be one more because sika bi am de be ma papa we na ma me we so fanya adwuma bia. Na wa hye no. Make we me de ne call we baby obi ha China nkrofo kokko fa de beton nya no trip we. Ono kwa ko e ono kra de odeka any ate. And you be what do you do? Mama can't just say the people should come and see you. I don't like it.
I'm not. No. What I think say must be done. He say
it must be done well.
Must be done well. He say. It was said the party involved. Say Obama say Bemano. Or say any kasa.
No. But say Nyoma general. Ewe yiso a obi a obi ti abrochire o. Ontimi magana obi ani ho bebo waso this.
You have to pull your weight. But Adam this man or she's can.
It's factors ben crown so the shiska.
Yes, ebia number 1
mismanagement, carelessness, extravagant living.
That been boy mismanagement. Carelessness.
Yes.
Yeah.
But who say ben be so bit mama uska we say fire juma. I for my chop money.
Oh, yeah, we binim saba. It's not much.
Why am I chop money?
As a matter of fact, no. Say no be say let's open one person good business.
Good business.
Mama be no one say good business no.
Some of them.
African man says I no more.
Hey. Africa. Yeah, where the doctor? Where the true? Where the Africa? Yeah. Africa members of then I'm going to say I don't know what it is in moon in the August or Ghana. Africa ni be mama uskase fedija says he can na de beka banku udi betu yanko every day fees feeding fee at the end
ebu man or ba no or entrepreneurial personality or to me or pay juma pa nti bia papa the pensions came now the so consider kwa what mama wo ba no one was azuko twenko dan school fees and ya wo bana na ese wo kotu oba school ye de wiase je pade nyina efie sika nyina adwetre nyina de amawa
aso the pension nyina pension bia so the pension nyina we mema do na we wo cases of pensioners o ma be fia ye ti omuka eyi oboasi go fees fo akese kura na sika akese o bechembe 8 na no keep 7 no the back one man you son fanye business sa business no no the back one bebre no mo ye
yeah, of course. Mrs. Ebane say, Nipa kone this pensions king na dia mawa. That means it is unlikely. Say obi o wako pension be this king na be money.
It's a skebi and free baby amma.
Ness skebi and free baby amma be man. What I say, not dia mawa because when him say, what catch and say, ubetimi da yejuma ubenya faso we. Not this king na dia mawa say for ye juma. Definitely we no ubeka benku ofie momedi. Okay. Won't no be tiem koda no school fees because what be so ba that is the point. Na enyasa na ye sheda tiske mo se fa ye adwuma wo de wo so kra no we have to also talk about this part the kra se be wo ko ba no kra wo nto nso ya ma wo ska wo ti ro kra wo nto be mafie enema bi wo ma akoda bibi e be nchine kra wo ntumi nto be mafie ya ma wo ska se fa ye adwuma a wo nya fa so wo betimi di ato bank kakra so ka wo so betimi di aiden aboa fie because nyame se oboye sasomboafo di aiden e di amaye na wo de wunya na wo de akọ ebusu afie wunya na wo se wo de amawe wunya ba eba na wa wo fie a e se wo si ne dia se wo kunu kra ni wona tiro ni wa sebe e se nkofo nsuo kwa e de omo hu yie that means ye friend say abro and some nkofo so etisa and I believe say all these things can really be sorted out say ye nyina ye ba out near kase I am going to this relationship specifically say person me boa say ni pakone many people don't know that whatever you think you need anta wo kwa warim no there's a possibility say wunya
okay
into wo kono
because kame ba be busa sa question
say there's a possibility say wunya nya dibia nipa na expectation wa wabenya wa wari into wo kwa wo kono ko with what you have say wo de ka kobo nipa kono okay nipa kono so oba no so excuse me ono so funny ono so wo say o de ba be boa okay into if both of you have that mindset say we are helping each other there will be free flow into your destiny.
But say dia wo kan ya wa kan de fine. But why o ye analysis bi say bia nipa no to say ye bia o ye ni so man say wa ya hye no. We say wo hye da amwa wo fi.
Because onya boafo.
Ti onya boafo awie no. Na so call with the mindset say wo ko boa no so aboa. Na so wo boa no but ono de ne ma. Wo na wa ware no. E de na say wadwen na say wo fa no sa na ultimate no wa de etena without any complaints. And what do you think?
One of the things very profound say you were you were the God kind of love. Okay, we call it agape love. It's different. Okay.
Agape I wish you baby.
And you were philanthropic love. You were anthropopathetism love, which is a covenanted love that was also made. We have the platonic love, which is the friendship kind of love. We have the erotic love that is as a result of people that normally do all those things. But then I'm saying say if we are dealing with marital love and there is platonic love in it omo wadan fofo wo ma obenwu say obaya wo no obo no hombody anaso onye dey omo no hombody obenwu say oba wo ya be me yokako ware ni oyeta hobedi anase onyeta hobedi enti no ade bia wo ye bia no by the time you are entering into the marriage you will have a signal of who the person is. Many time me be church say odonim enti ma me conclude by saying say go with the intention that you are going to help. Say what you could discuss now, what you will say or born a question. Say realign your mentality. Say you know, I want to help my husband, or I want to help my wife to be able to make a difference in life.
All right.
Obia here boafo.
But is that the soft work and Obia here boafo Dr. Philip. I soft for or London or Sisi or Betana Ghana. Sanson Apostle Emmanuel Nkum. Or no so ye soft for or no so about Betana Ghana. Only no out your monka. Omu chirimu ye hwese worry. Na so you be ho now feel a relationship no. I see expect to say you be your value be a relationship ni mu. And as I say bibi ama yentina yenfa se saa de nya ya no. Ana yenya honko eno no ma chechire mu. Ma cheche de be ma ware no and as a relationship no ayeyi de be se no. Ene de adwen sese wo de ko. O se wo kwa ye wadwen se wo kwa akoboa. Tudru mu obeye yi o enye yi o de ochusu ya no. I said the year chenta de na don sachi yes obi anyi baako na wa pick at random wo de akodru fi udru ho se so sen ho se so asen ho hyewade na for life na no so ye behwe se no kura wo sha bedru ahe edru ba bia enkopai wo bedwum e ho so a different thing. I had an idea you made in the BC. Now, Sophia Chromachi Aquine. Now, Fiat Microsoft. Now, so your program.
Yeah, Baba anniversary. Beshasi Ochina. It was Sun Lodge Hotel. Sun Lodge Hotel. I was Tesano Baptist Church. Okay. I was Tesano here. Would do Tesano police station. Yeah, Peace FM opposite to one. Okay. Now, Yeshasi Ochina, 6 p.m. Right. The name of the church is the Radiant Place. Now, anniversary. We invite us for Akesefo, Dr. Philip Baby, okay, and Bishop Olaiboje Baby, Bernard Prophet Bernard L Baby. Oh, okay. Dr. Maame Yeboaa Baby. Hey. Yeah. Prophet Isaac Owusu will be there. I Apostle Nkum will be there. So now yes, shall see Ochina. I'm the one hosting. Okay. Yes, shall see Ochina. Okay. Ochina 6 p.m. sharp. 8:30 at 8:45 at most we are done. It's going to be an incredible moment. The team is 1,000 times more. I want everybody listening to me to come for the conference. I believe Senyame ebe pijan in Sayere Sababa or Jebeba. Iwadusu be or Soro Amanimba. I want you to come. Okay. You know. Maybe. Mpachomati. Neba. So mpacho for which quite all. Opasa of Fremia. I'm Apostle Emmanuel Nkum. Usabekam was 0246 32 89 84. 0246 32 89 84. One more time. 0246 32 89 84. All right. You can call me here. Doctor.
Ochina.
Also, what's in a way?
Your Roman Ridge. Okay. You share Sundays be 8:30 to 10:30 a.m. All right. Roman Ridge. My number here 026 220 1248. Okay. Number be 026 220 1248. But number say Apostle program no. Me can speakers no. All right. Now, me stress say we a business person. We will be able to move our career to the next level. I will encourage you to be there. It's going to be amazing. Hey, maybe it's going to be amazing. Okay. When you make Edin Sembia to Makoma, so I may me share. Na. Oh, the books need be so about.
The books in now. All right. He has about 20 books. Yo,
me da for na hanom na dey adwuma dey ni besi nyame nhyira so agebra wo hwe ye ai ogebra wo tie ye ai Dr. Philip Aryee ona wo tie ne nka e wa hanom no ansa na Apostle Emmanuel Nkum ono so wo tie ne nka e wa ha o ma kyekere ne omam bebre me hwe so so asua de na me amesua ne omam bebre me hwe so asua bi enne nyame nhyira wo pa sa ogebra wo tie fe me Maame Yeboaa Asiedu maboafo shan akwa ena boy the intime Jonas oh intenti en kamenu muda ansa na Maame esi papa bi omo me ensa enene omo bo a me madwumedi etimi ko yie nyame hira so oje bra utie ye na wo so hwe yen e wo Facebook baby a wo bia nyame hira wo nyame adoma next week ye be sanso aba na sanso aba beto aso nyame enka ho yeda mo ase